This is Wes, aka the Grillin' Villain from SummersetGrills, and it's Food Friday. Today we're making island kebabs, chicken, shrimp, and fruit. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to prepare a marinade or a glaze for our chicken kebabs. We're gonna use some balsamic dressing. We're gonna use some soy sauce. We're gonna use some cornstarch with just a drop of water in it, and then we're gonna add a dash of garlic. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the fire right here. And today, of course, we've got the distinct privilege of being able to grill on the world's greatest grill, the American Muscle Grill 36. We're cooking on 100-year-old red oak today and some lump coal. Of course, you can pick up an American Muscle Grill at any local retailer around the country. Okay, I'm gonna prepare my chicken for my kebabs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the chicken in chunks. Oh my, very nice. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna prepare my sweet peppers. Cut them in half. A lot of times I'll go ahead and pull some of the seeds out. Don't have to get them all, just kind of clean them up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna prepare our pineapple for our skewers. Grab this baby right here, cut off the top, flip it over, clean the sides up. Get another one here. Okay, our marinade or glaze has thickened up, and at this point I'm going to pull it off the fire and let it sit a little bit. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pre-soaked skewers that I put in water so they won't catch on fire. And I'm gonna go to the kebab production table right here. We're gonna start off with an onion. Watch your fingers, these things are sharp. A piece of chicken. We're gonna do a pepper. We're gonna do a pineapple. And then we're gonna start over again. Onion, pepper, chicken, and pineapple. This kebab is ready for the grill. And there it is, folks. There's our 4 kebabs. We even have a little left over. Looks like our coals are gonna be ready for cooking. They've sat there and worked it. We're gonna go ahead and kind of liven these kebabs up with just a little bit of Montreal steak. It's kind of one of my favorites. Throw just a little pepper on them just to say hello. And a little deep sea salt. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw our kebabs on our grill right now. Set them across there, get nice burn marks on them. Oh man, you can hear them already sizzling. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these kebabs on the open grill on the hot coals, probably for about 10 or 12 minutes. I'll check them. It is chicken, so we wanna be careful that we cook it properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, shut my hood. Got island shrimp bacon bobs we're putting together. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my bacon started a little bit. Give it about a 6 or 7 minute head start. Just throw it right in there, right on that fire. The rest of the ingredients, we're gonna start our bacon. We're gonna peel our shrimp. Let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and pull the tail off, clean them out. Go. 2. Okay, we're gonna pull our bacon off. We've kind of pre-cooked it a little bit, gave it a head start. We're gonna set it over here, let it sit, and we're gonna incorporate it in the production run of our island shrimp bacon bobs, which are gonna consist of shrimp, baby tomatoes, onions, pineapple, and then we're gonna put a custom barbecue sauce over the whole thing. All these ingredients together in one good bite is gonna be revelation. Okay, we're gonna start the production of our island shrimp bacon bobs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the bacon in thirds right here, kind of make it easier to deal with. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut our pineapples. Get some big pieces there. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our pre-soaked skewers again so they won't burn on the grill. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put together our island shrimp bacon bobs. We're gonna take a little onion. We're gonna take a baby tomato. We're gonna take a shrimp wrapped in bacon, just like that. We're gonna hand do that. And then we're gonna go ahead and start over again. Put another onion, tomato, pineapple. We're gonna go ahead and take a shrimp and we're gonna wrap it in our bacon. Come on, baby. Stick it on there. And that's the first one of our kebabs. Okay, I'm gonna set my my chicken kebabs up on top on the warming tray of the American Muscle Grill. Let them cruise up there because we've got some other kebabs we're gonna put on there. We're gonna put our island shrimp and bacon bobs down here to cook. We're gonna let these cruise on top. Oh yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw on our shrimp bacon bobs right now. Bring them over here. We're gonna throw them right on the open fire on the PGA, preferred grilling apparatus, the American Muscle Grill. We're cooking on open fire. Gotta watch them a little bit. Pulling off my chicken kebabs right now. They've been up on the warming tray. Set them over on our plating dish. Oh, they look good. Got a little char on them. That makes them good. Set them up here. Okay. Then we've got our shrimp bacon kebabs down here. Oh, they're juicy. The onions, the baby tomatoes, the pineapple, the shrimp wrapped in bacon. I'm gonna put that like that. And then the marinade, the glaze that we made earlier, goes on the chicken. I'm just gonna pour it on there, nice and thick. Give it a nice flavor, bring out the zest of the, oh my, the chicken, the sweet peppers. Now we're just gonna put some sweet barbecue sauce. This is gonna go over our shrimp bacon bobs. Oh yeah, just be very generous with it, brings out the flavors. Oh, look at that. Okay, the third kebab that we're presenting to you today is the fruit kebab. Fairly simple. We're gonna go ahead and take some cantaloupe, some strawberries, pineapple, and bananas, and we're gonna go ahead and put them on a skewer, cook them up. When we're done, we're gonna add some secret ingredients and take it from there. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut a banana. I'm sure everybody's seen this before. Monkeys have been doing it for millions of years. You're cutting your banana, you want to keep the slices fairly thick so they'll grill evenly. In a similar fashion, just take off the tops and set them there. No need to cut them in half. Keep those juices contained in the strawberries and just kind of cook the outside, get it nice warm. We drizzle our nice glaze. Ooh, it's going to be so good. More strawberry. Okay, we are going to assemble our fruit kebabs now, and you can see what we're using. It's going to be a simple process. I'm going to stab a pineapple, I'm going to stab a strawberry, a banana, and some cantaloupe. Boom, I'm going to do the same thing again. Pineapple, strawberry, banana, cantaloupe. And those are our fruit kebabs. We're gonna put them and glaze them on the grill for about 3 or 4 minutes aside. So I'm gonna place them on the grill right now, right on the direct fire. Won't leave them as long because on the fire, they don't contain any meat or shrimp. So we're pretty safe just glazing them up and getting that sweet citrus taste inside. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull our fruit kebabs off the grill right now. They've been down here. Again, we've got our banana, got our cantaloupe, we've got our strawberry. Oh yeah, we got our pineapple. Woohoo, that is good. Let's bring these over here. And we're gonna serve those with our other 2 kebabs, our shrimp bacon bobs and our chicken kebabs. And what I'm gonna do here is just kind of spray a little coconut oil spray on these, just kind of give it a little glaze, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour maple syrup over. It's really gonna bring out the flavors of the cantaloupe, the banana, the strawberry, and the pineapple. So there you go. That's our 3rd kebab that we made today. Again, we made the chicken kebabs, and then we made the shrimp bacon bobs. We can take this now, and if you desire, you can go ahead and dip that in a vanilla, any of these fruits into a vanilla dressing there, and it makes for a wonderful dessert, all cooked on the American Muscle Grill. Now is the funnest part of the day. This is where we get to pair a very nice alcoholic beverage with our island kebabs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna puree some strawberries. We got some dark and white light rum. We're gonna put them in together. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix that up. Okay, I've pureed my strawberries and my white and dark rum. We're gonna make 2 of them here. These are lava flows. You can see my lava lamp behind the lava flow presentation. I've added that myself. Okay, now we're gonna mix our coconut cream, banana, and our pineapple. We're gonna go ahead and put that in our blender. We're gonna go ahead and puree this as well. Okay, there's the last part of our concoction. We're gonna go ahead and pour it over our pureed strawberries. Uh-oh, oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Lava flow from the islands goes great with our island kebabs. Okay, folks, we're giving away 2 free Summerset Grill t-shirts. The first way to win a t-shirt is to tag a friend in the comments below. Second way to get a t-shirt is to take this recipe, cook it, plate it, post it, and tag Summerset Grills. A great dish, cook it up, it'll look great, you'll look like a hero, you'll be a hero. Happy grilling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in a little chicken here, a little bite. Let's give it a try. Cut it out. Happy grilling.